Hey everyone! So today I'm gonna show you how I make this wig. This wig is for beginners and it's easy to make.
If you're looking kinda hot, but your hair is not gonna run.
So first I'm gonna use my pins to secure the wig cap. Now I'm sewing up my bundles and as you can see, I'm going through and keep going with that U-part shape. Okay? Stitch through the mesh. Now I'm doing that repeatedly till I get to the top, and I'm using the straight needle. But don't get it twisted, guys. You can get a needle of your choice at your beauty supply store. You don't have to use the straight needle like I'm doing. I'm so used to the straight needle. As you know, if you've been following me for a while, you know that I love using my straight needles to sew my wigs. And so, yeah, I keep on going that. So I stopped at the middle side. Now I am securing the closure. I am using pins to hold the closure down. It makes it easy to sew it in. Now I'm sewing down the closure. Make sure none of the hair is on your way, please, because you don't want that hair getting on your way. You just want to go straight and keep sewing the closure. So if you need water, just use some water and make sure you get all those hair together, and so you can actually continue sewing your closure without any hair getting in the way. So I'm going all the way through with that, sewing it from the one end all the way to the other end. And as you can see, I put the closure in a bond so it stays out of my way and I can continue sewing. So after that, I continue with the tracks and just continue sewing and make sure that the hair, I have more fuller hair in the front. And so that's what I'm doing right now. As you can see, I'm gonna continue because I don't want to see any much space close to my closure. I want the hair to look natural. I started with one track and I'm going to continue like that till I get close to my closure. So now I'm going ahead and cut out the closure part, but make sure you don't cut out your stitches. This looks really good. I love how this wig turns out. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll see you on my next one. Mwah.